Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to unbox my new iPhone SE 2020 version which I bought from bestbuy.com. This phone was announced on 15th April 2020 and released on 24th April 2020. I bought this white version with 64GB memory. There are also black and red color option and storage capacity up to 256GB. It is a budget iPhone model starting at $399. It has the body of iPhone 8 but the processor of iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, that is A13 Bionic chip. So I am unboxing it. There are some paperworks. Let me show you. A quick start guide. This is a SIM ejection tool. This is warranty info, and last but not the least, the Apple stickers. That is very cool, right? So we look at the device later, but first see what else we got. An earpod with lightning connector, since this iPhone does not have headphone jack like all other recent iPhone models. And here is the USB-A to lightning cable to charge the device. And here a tiny wall brick which delivers 5 watt power, but this phone can be quick charged using 18 watt brick, but you need to buy that separately. Also you can charge it wirelessly. So here is the new iPhone SE. It has 4.7-inch Retina LCD display. As you can see, I bought the white color model. It has 12 megapixel single rear camera and 7 megapixel front camera. So the model has a physical home button and touch ID, silent button and volume up down at one side and the power button on another. So here's the protective cover. And start enjoying the phone. And yes, it has glass back and glass front with aluminium frame. Although it lacks 2 or 3 lens setup like iPhone 11 or 11 Pro, it can still take portrait photo of human. This device is so beautiful, right? This model is most suitable for budget concerned people and people who wants to operate phone with one hand, since this phone has a small footprint. So this phone is starting up now. And here is the Apple logo. I need to enter my info to set up the phone. I will post a full review after using it for a few days. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. So stay home, stay safe. This is all for today. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.